A fallen tree took out a power line in Elgin today, knocking out power to a handful of homes near Elgin Community College. In all, ComEd reports more than 13,000 customers without power across our area. And our coverage continues now with CBS 2's Asal Rezaei live in Skokie. Asal.
Yeah, Erica, neighbors tell me they heard a loud bang and then looked out to see a massive tree branch that came down on this car. Crews have since come out and cleared this area. Now just dirt and leaves left behind. The owner of this car was not home at the time the tree came down, but we were here when he did arrive, and he was understandably upset to see his car is a total loss. Take a look at this video. You can see the damage directly after the storm came through. The car just smashed. The front end, not as bad, but the back window is gone and down as a massive part of that tree came down on this car. The damage very scattered on parts of the north side, and here in Skokie you can see some other big branches down, blocking streets, causing problems for drivers trying to pass through. The fire department and city crews cutting branches apart to get them out of the roads. A lot of neighbors in this area concerned about these big trees as winds were picking up, but most of them happy now to see the damage is limited.
Just blocking the street here. Luckily, didn't hit anybody's cars or any buildings, so no property damage.
And unfortunately, this part of the street didn't get as lucky. About less than an hour ago, we watched as crews here cleaned up that big tree branch and those debris. Now the owner of this car is left to deal with the rest. I'm Asal Rezaei live in Skokie tonight. Erica, back to you.
All right, Asal, thank you. And here is another live look outside over the city right now. Stay informed and up to date on the weather anytime by grabbing your phone or iPad and scanning the QR code you see right there on your screen. It will take you right to the weather radar and our website.